old dog has chained you up alright. I gave you everything you need to live inside a twisted cage, sleep beside an empty rage. I had a dream I was your hero. Damn, I wish I was your lover. I'd rock it till the daylight comes, make sure you were smiling and warm. I am everything, tonight I'll be your mother. I'll do such things to ease your pain, free your mind and you won't feel ashamed. This monkey can't stand to see you black and blue. I gave you something sweet each time you come inside my jungle book. Or is it just too good? Don't say stay, cause then you'll go away. Damn, I wish I was your lover. I'd rock it till the daylight comes, make sure you are smiling and warm. I am everything, tonight I'll be your mother. I'll do such things to ease your pain, free your mind and you won't feel ashamed. Chance, for me there is no other. You're the only shoe that fits, I can't imagine I grow out of it. Damn, I wish I was your lover. If I was your girl, believe me, I'd turn on the Rolling Stones. We could groove along and feel much better. Oh, let me in. Oh, I can do it forever and ever and ever and ever. Give me an hour to kiss you, walk through heaven's door, I'm sure. Need no doctor to feel much better. Let me in. Oh, I can do it forever and ever and ever and ever. I sat on a mountainside with peace of mind, and I lay by the ocean making love to her with visions clear. Walk for days with no one near, and I returned as chained and bound to you. Damn, I wish I was your lover. I'd rock it till the daylight comes, make sure you were smiling and warm. I am everything, tonight I'll be your mother. I'll do such things to ease your pain, free your mind and you won't feel ashamed.